What if I told you your phone is not just for scrolling? It can actually make you money every single day. Hi, everyone. In 2026, you don't need a laptop or office job to earn money. In this video, I'll show you side hustles you can start using just your phone. Hustle 1. Social media management. You can manage pages for businesses on Instagram and Facebook, post content, reply to messages, and help businesses grow all from your phone. Hustle 2. Content writing. Write captions, blogs, or product descriptions using your phone. Clients pay per post, so you can earn daily. Hustle 3. Short video editing. Edit reels and shorts using apps like CapCut. Many creators need editors. This is a high-demand skill. Hustle 4. Dropshipping. Sell products online without stock. You can manage your store and orders completely from your phone. Hustle 5. Canva designing. Create Instagram posts, thumbnails, and posters using Canva. Sell designs or offer services to clients. Hustle 6. Reselling products. Buy low, sell high using apps like Meesho. No investment needed. Just share products and earn commission. Hustle 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products using links and earn commission for every sale. You can do this through WhatsApp, Instagram, or YouTube. You can earn 500 to 2,000 rupees a day as a beginner and 30,000 rupees plus per month with consistency. Stop wasting time scrolling. Start earning from your phone today. Like, share, and subscribe for more side hustle ideas.